Rationalization of real number. Of real number means how to rationalize. What is the meaning of rationalization? Rationalization means if any number is in p by q form and from the denominator the method of removal of root is called rationalization. Like suppose if we have a number 1 upon root a minus root b, then this is a number in which this is a numerator, this is denominator. So in denominator there is a root. So the removal of the root from the denominator is called rationalization of real number. But how to rationalize? To rationalize, we should have remember this formula: a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Okay? So rationalization of root, and as we know that any number have a root, if we multiply with same number, then root will remove. Okay, just remember this: root a into root a equals to a. Also, if number are different, root a into root b, then root will not disappear. If same number have a root and if they multiply, then root will disappear. If different numbers are with a root, then after multiplication root will not disappear. It is like ab. As for example, root 2 into root 2 is equals to what? 2, and root 2 into root 3 is equals to root 6. 2 3 is a 6. So this is the concept of root. So to remove this root and this root, we need one root a and one root b. So what we will do? We will just multiply it. Root a, here minus sign is there, so we will multiply numerator and denominator with root a plus root b, root a plus root b. Okay, now multiply these two. If we multiply 1 into this, so this becomes root a plus root b upon, what is this? This will be multiply root a minus root b into root a plus root b. And here we know that root a into root a can be written as root a square, which is equals to a. So what is this? This is the formula: a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So here same way, a minus b into a plus b, it becomes a square minus b square. So just write a plus b upon root a square minus root b square according to this formula. So this becomes root a plus root b upon root a square means what? A, minus root b square means what? B. Now you can see that root is removed from denominator, and the removal of root from denominator is called rationalization. As for example, there is a question: rationalize root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. So you have to rationalize this. Rationalize this means you have to remove root from this denominator. Root from this denominator. So how you will so to remove the root from the denominator, we have required 1 root 3 and 1 root 2, because we know that root 2 into root 2 2. So what we will do root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. We will multiply with root 3 plus root 2 in numerator and denominator. Root 3 plus root 2, root 3 plus root 2. Why we are doing this? Because this becomes a minus b, a plus b, so that we can apply this formula, and if square will be on root 3 and root 2, then root will disappear. Okay, that's why we have to do this work. So now just multiply numerator root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 upon root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2. Now here a minus b into a plus b. So this becomes, just multiply this into this. So root 3 into root 3, 3 plus root 3 into root 2, different numbers, root will not disappear. So root 3 into root 2, 6 plus again root 2 into root 3, again root 6, root 2 into root 2, again 2 upon, this is a minus b into a plus b. What will it is? A square minus b square. So this is root 3 square minus root 2 square. So what is the next step? 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5, and root 6 plus root 6, 2 times root 6 means 2 root 6 upon, what is the square of root 3? That is 3. What is the square of root 2? That is 2. So this becomes 5 plus 2 root 6 upon 2 minus 3 minus 2, 1. So no need to write 1 in denominator. So answer is what? 5 plus 2 root 6. Now you can see that from the denominator root will disappear. Okay, so this is rationalization. Okay.